AI-curious founders, product managers drowning in backlogs, and indie hackers longing for a drag-and-drop shortcut to next-gen features you see in venture-funded apps. Meet SmythOS, the visual platform that lets anyone spin up production-grade AI agents in minutes. And right now you can shave $20 off any paid tier with coupon code AFFILIATE20 when you join through the link in the video description. SmythOS combines an intuitive canvas called Agent Weaver with a library of best-in-class LLMs, APIs, and data connectors, so you can orchestrate complex multi-agent workflows the same way you'd wire a flowchart. No boilerplate Python or DevOps headaches required. Need Slack sentiment routed to HubSpot, summarized by GPT-4o, then emailed if a deal looks at risk. Drag, drop, click, deploy. Under the hood, SmythOS runs a tri-layer architecture, a serverless execution engine that auto-scales, an observability stack logging every prompt response pair for auditing, and rich analytics that surface token spend, latency, and accuracy, crucial for CFOs and ML leads alike. Where rival no-code tools stop at single-agent chatbots, SmythOS introduces multi-agent collaboration and human-in-the-loop checkpoints. Assign a research agent to crawl PDFs, a planner agent to chunk deliverables, and a writer agent to draft blog posts. Then set a validation node that pings you in Slack for final approval. Better yet, pricing starts free and scales by usage, not seat count, so cross-functional teams can prototype without begging finance for licenses. But the smartest money move is locking in $20 off your first invoice today. Just pop Affiliate20 into checkout after clicking the link below and watch the subtotal drop. Once inside, swipe the blog writer or data QA template to see instant ROI. Then hit me in the comments with the wildest agent chain you create. Smash! Like if democratizing AI lights you up, subscribe for weekly teardown videos, and share this with a teammate who still thinks building with LLMs means racking EC2 clusters. With SmythOS, shipping AI features becomes as easy as drafting a pitch deck. Go claim your discount and start weaving agents into your product today.